This is everything you need to know about how to make an engraved serving board. Hi, my name is Meg. An engraved serving board can be a unique and personalised gift. By engraving a special message, it can be a one-of-a-kind piece. Let's get into it. Choose the timber surface you'd like to use for your project. It can be any type of timber, as long as it's smooth and free of knots and cracks. When selecting timber for an engraved serving board, it is essential to choose a piece that will sit flat once completed. We're using a live edge timber panel. Choose the stencil or design you'd like to use for your engraving. You can find stencils online or create your own using a computer program or by drawing it freehand. Print out the design and use transfer paper to transfer it onto the board. Follow the instructions for use. Since you are using a hot tool, it is essential that you set up a safe workspace away from children and pets. Follow the manufacturer's guidelines and make sure you use a stand or an appropriate surface to rest your soldering iron. Place the correct nozzle on the end of your soldering iron, turn the iron on and wait for it to heat up. Before engraving your final design, it's important to have some test runs on an offcut of timber. This ensures you're confident in using the engraving tool. Once you're happy with your progress, begin to trace the design onto your timber board. You may need to go over the pattern a few times to get the desired look. Once you've finished engraving your design, lightly sand the board if required. If you're creating a serving board for food, it's important to use a food-grade oil to protect the board and enhance its natural beauty. Let the sealant dry completely. Once the sealant is dry, we're going to attach our serving handles. Drill holes in the board where you want the handles to be. Then, insert the screws through the holes in the handle and into the board, tightening them with a screwdriver. Then your serving board is ready to use. And there you have it, a personalised serving board. If you like this video, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips and tricks.